It is day 6 here in Maui, and it is going to be a day full of new adventures. We are going to Maui Off Road Adventures for the first time to do some four-wheeling. We are going to one of the nicest restaurants in Maui, Merrimans restaurant up at Kapalua for the first time. And I even got special approval to fly my drone over Kaanapali Beach for the first time. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest videos that come out. So I got up early this morning and went down to Kaanapali Beach, where I had gotten special FAA approval to fly my drone, and it was spectacular. Hey guys, so we are back at the bakery this morning in Lahaina to get some Malasadas. I had a Malasada request last night from Angie, so we just went and did some drone shooting on Kaanapali Beach, which was pretty cool, even though the conditions weren't great. And now I'm swinging by to pick up some Malasadas to take home to Angie. All right, so here's the Malasadas. I got 4 plain ones and 2 custard ones, and I'm gonna take those back to the condo to surprise Angie. Once again, the bakery here in Lahaina has great Malasadas, so I would really encourage you guys to try it out if you're here in Maui. Take care. All right, there is the delicious Malasadas waiting for Angie, who just got up. We got 4 plain Malasadas and 2 with custard cream filling. So this is what makes Maui great. You got Malasadas for breakfast. You got a beautiful condo. You got double opening doors. And then you got that waiting as a view. This is why Maui is so great. So we are at Maui Off Road Adventures to do some four-wheeling this afternoon, and it should be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. How about you, Ange?
Very much so. Should be great. It's a little bit sprinkling right now, which should be nice. Hopefully we'll keep the dust down. Might get a little dirty.
So we left the property for Maui Off Road Adventures and immediately got onto the road. And after just a short drive, we made it to the trail for where the four-wheeling begins. After a fun-filled drive up the top of the mountain, we stopped at the top and took a break at a place where there was just a beautiful view of the ocean. It was really nice to stretch our legs for a little bit, and we also switched driving so that Angie could drive for a while. We took a second break where they talked to us about the history of Maui Off Road Adventures and how they had come into business. And then Angie ended up driving for the third leg as well because she was having so much fun with it. Hey guys, so we just got done with the Maui Off Road Adventure. We did you guys a favor and showered and cleaned up before you had to take a look at us because we were looking pretty grungy after it was over. But it was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I thought it was going to be fun, but it was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. They do a great job. And the course they took us on was probably twice as long as I thought it was going to be. I thought it'd be some short deal. But we were four-wheeling up this mountain for a long time. Yeah. The scenery was beautiful. The vehicle was great. The roads were like challenging enough. I thought they were going to be flat and easy for like amateurs like myself to drive, but they actually had some fun stuff on there. What did you think, Ange?
I really enjoyed driving. I thought it was really fun. And I mean, you can't beat the views. It was pretty nice. And they stopped a couple times where we could get out and look, and they kind of explained some stuff, so I thought that was nice too.
Yeah, it was a blast overall. I would highly recommend.
Yeah, it was awesome.
If you're ever over here in Maui and you get a chance to do Maui Off Road Adventures, try to do it. They even plant trees during your tour because they're doing a thing where they're trying to grow some trees to improve the...
they're doing a reforestation.
A reforestation.
Not just growing some trees, but close.
Yep, reforestation. Hey guys, so we are off to Merrimans for dinner. We got these reservations a while ago and it's supposed to be one of the nicest restaurants in Maui. We haven't tried it yet. All right, so this is the front of Merrimans. Looks really, really nice. And there's Angie. She looks very pretty tonight. All right. Here's the restaurant at Merrimans. Looks really, really nice. Here's the view from our table at Merrimans. Just a beautiful restaurant. All right, so Angie got the fancy Merrimans Mai Tai, which is supposed to be the best on the island. And I got the fancy Merrimans Coke, which is supposed to be the best on the island. And look how pretty Angie looks tonight.
Oh, thanks, baby. Beautiful view.
All right, here is their first course. It's a amuse-bouche, cucumber, avocado, and gazpacho. And then we also got some of their Merrimans wheat bread. And what's in the sauce again?
Some kind of tomato, olive oil, chili, lime. Sounds delicious.
Yes, it looks great. All right, so the amuse-bouche was really good. Angie let me know that amuse-bouche is like a gift from the chef. So I'm pretty sure that we're special, and he did a special gift for Angie and I. And it tastes like cucumber and avocado gazpacho. It's very tasty. And then our first courses just arrived. Angie got a beautiful looking Caesar salad. Looks nice. All right, I got octopus escargot. I've never had escargot before. I know it normally has snails. I don't think I'm gonna eat snails, and I've never had octopus, so this should be pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to trying it out. So the escargot is amazing. I've never had this before, and it is absolutely incredible. The flavors are really good. Kind of tastes a little bit like squid, but you put it on toast, like a garlic toast type thing. Absolutely incredible. Really liking it a lot. So what do you think of the Caesar salad?
Caesar salad is delicious. I'm not sure what these like crouton things are. They're like some kind of fried maybe cheese or something. But the parm is fresh. The lettuce is delicious. The salad dressing is great. Super good.
And there's smoking something good. I know I can be like them. I know I can be free.
Some kind of big wild shrimp with gnocchi and some kind of mandarin butter sauce with zucchini.
It looks really good.
And it smells even better.
All right, and then I got the lamb shank, which looks really, really good. The sauce on it looks really tasty. There's the lamb shank with the sun setting in the background. Who doesn't want a sunset lamb shank? Here's Merrimans with the rainbow going right over the top of it. Very fitting.
I see you smile. Read to me at face time. It seems like this since it's been.
The overall ambiance at Merrimans is just amazing, with the restaurant and the outdoor patio seating and the nice deck overlooking the ocean and the beautiful sunset. The atmosphere here is just amazing. All right, well, the lamb shank was absolutely amazing. It was so tender. And it just fell right off the bone, and the sauce on it was just incredible. I even ate all the vegetables, which is unheard of for me. So, yeah, the food here at Merrimans has just been outstanding. I saw some reviews at times online that said this place is overhyped or whatever. Man, I got to tell you, so far, I haven't experienced that at all. The hype, it absolutely is living up to the hype, in my opinion. All right, so our desserts just showed up, and this is the chocolate purse. And on it, I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I'll butcher it, but they wrote on it happy anniversary because it's our 15th anniversary. So really good touch from Merrimans. That was really nice of them. And then this is the pineapple macadamia nut bread pudding. So we'll share these and see how we like them. Our waiter just brought us out after dessert a couple of drinks. And Angie got one with alcohol, and he was kind enough to bring me one without even asking, without alcohol, just because he noticed that I ordered a Pepsi and wasn't drinking tonight. So very kind and gracious, and a really cool way to end the dinner. If you would have asked me a week ago the best fine dining experience in Maui, I wouldn't even have paused. I would have said Mama's. But after eating at Merrimans, it would be a tough call for me whether, if you only had one fine dining experience in Maui, whether to go to Mama's or Merrimans. They are both really good restaurants, and Merrimans definitely impressed me a ton tonight. So if you're ever in Maui and you ever have a chance to splurge and go to a fancy place, try Merrimans out if you get a chance. It's hard getting reservations. I have to say, when the reservations for today came open, it was like 2 months ago or something like that. I felt like I was trying to get tickets at a rock concert online. They were going so fast. So it's something that you have to plan ahead if you want to do it, but it is worth it, and it's an amazing experience. Thank you so much for taking time to watch our video today. If you've ever been off-roading or been to Merriman's restaurant in Maui, please leave your comments below. We would love to know what your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow Bucket Day Adventures on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest videos that come out. Thank you so much for spending time with us today, and we sure hope you're doing something fun to fill your bucket. Take care.